Welcome to Kings Branch Estates in Mobile, Alabama. This is one of the Adams Homes communities. This home features 4 bedrooms with 2 full baths. It's brick on all 4 sides and it's over 2,300 square feet. Come on in, let me show you around. There's luxury vinyl plank throughout the living room and only carpet in the bedrooms. You have a breakfast nook here by the kitchen, which overlooks the covered porch. Stainless steel appliances. An island looking over the living area. You have granite countertops in the kitchen and in the baths. A nice size walk-in pantry. This is a split floor plan. You have a formal dining room here by the foyer. Don't forget, anytime you visit a new construction community, make sure you tell them you're working with Frankie Wink. You deserve a buyer's agent working for your best interest. And the best part is, the builder pays my compensation. You get the best of both worlds. I know what you're thinking. Will you get a better deal if you don't use a buyer's agent? Absolutely not. New construction homes are priced to sell. Prices have to remain the same for the other homes in that same community to appraise. That's why builders offer incentives. Incentives like interest rate buy-downs and contributing towards your buyer's closing cost. These are ways to save you money without affecting the appraisal value of the home. Call today for a list of the current incentives. 251-234-9919. It also features a soaking tub. You have a nice size walk-in closet here and a freestanding shower. Call today for your private showing. 251-234-9919. Do you need to sell before you can buy? No worries. I list and sell real estate in Mobile and Baldwin County. Call today to find out how Frankie Wink leverages virtual tours, social media, and YouTube to get you the most money for your home. You want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600.